Hi, my name is Anderson Okai, and this is my week 2 contact API project for CSE341. I will demonstrate my API functionality using Swag on render. So this is my Swag UI on render, and also this is my Compass on MongoDB, and you can see that from the database already we have 11 contacts in the Compass database. So first we are going to get all contacts, and after that we post, get, put and delete. So let's get all contacts to see if we can get all the contact. Let's execute, and response, you can see we have all the 11 contacts. I want us to post a contact. So we are going to create a new contact. So let's create a new contact. So this is the new contact that we are creating. I want us to execute to see. So this is the response. The contact have been created. I want us to copy the ID which we will use. So here is our compass. We had 11, so it means we are supposed to get 12 contacts. So let's fetch, and we can see that we have 12 contacts now, and we have Zoe created. So now let's search contact by ID by using Zoe's ID to get Zoe's contact. So let's paste the ID and execute. So now we have the contact of Zoe. Now I want us to put or update the contact. So we are going to update Zoe's color, favorite color from gray to red. So we will need the ID and also the string. So let's post the string first and change the color to red. So red, we are updating the contact. So we are changing the color from favorite color from gray to red. So let's copy the ID to be able to change it. So let's execute. So the response is contact updated. So it means we should see a change in our database. So we can so now sorry, we can see the change to red. So now let's delete. We are going to delete the contact, which we are going to use the contact ID. So let's delete the contact by posting the ID. So finally, the we have deleted zoo, and all endpoints are documented, testable, and update the database as required. So you can see that. Let's fetch from the compass to see how many contacts we have now. So we have 11 contacts that we can see here. So now we have talked about the compass. So you can see that the compass have a collection of contacts which exceed 10 contacts, and also um, we were able to we were able to post 0, and we were able to update the favorite color to red, and also we were able to delete it. So for the architecture, when you look at the architecture, you can see that I have modern that contains the contact model for database operation, and we have the root that contains the contact.js for endpoints, and we have the server to connect them, ensuring operations um, separate of concerns. And also, when you look at the GitHub, you can see that all sensitive data like the .env file is excluded, ensuring accurate security. This project expand my week one API with full GRUD, swag and security deployment. Thank you for watching. Please share your feedback.